Welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about one of the most exciting national competitions of 2025, that is Nest 2.0, Nurturing Excellence and Strengthening Talents. So it is hosted by Novartis, one of the biggest global medical innovators. So you can see that we will see in this video what is the competition, who can participate, and all the things in detail. So don't skip any part. So first section is who can participate. So only undergraduates, postgraduates from engineering, management, art, commerce, laws can participate in this. Like all undergraduate students and postgraduate students can participate in this competition, and team size must be 1 to 4 members. That is, you can participate individually as well. Then in the round 2 you have to get one faculty member of your college. Then you can join only one team, so you can't get in other teams, you have to only join one team. Then what is the competition is all about? So Nest 2.0 is for people who want to reimagine healthcare using AI, data science, tech innovation, better healthcare solution. So then we will discuss stages and timeline breakdown. So first round is innovation challenge, abstract submission, where you have to submit your idea up to 8th January 2026. So you have to submit your 5-slide abstract track, which will focus on approach, methodology, results and challenges and next step and problem solution. So this round will check your how your idea is great. So this is the first round, you have to do it very well for, because it is the disqualifying round as well. So you have to submit your idea in proper way, don't overload your ppts with text and unnecessary data, make it visualization so it can get grab your attention from judges. Then second round is semi-finale, where you have to submit your working solution on January 21 to 31st of January 2026. Suppose you have developed your code, then you have to submit your zip file with code, then detailed report, reproducible results, then documentation with faculty mentor mandatory. So this round will check your how idea is your like it's beneficial for healthcare. Then round 3 is mentorship by Novaritas. So this is the round 11, will start on 11 Feb to 20 Feb. So they will guide you, their expert from R&D department will guide you how your prototype can be do better in your future stay, like your round 4th, so you can upgrade your model. Then after that you have round 4, that is grand finale at Hyderabad. So it will be on 24th of Feb 2026, where you have to pitch your idea live among the judges, where you have to submit your presentation, full technical execution plus business impact plus demo. Then we will talk about rewards and benefits. So total price is worth 7 lakh 50,000. Then national finalist will get the pre-placement opportunity at Novaritas, then opportunity to co-create real healthcare solution, then live networking with leaders, recognition plus exposure plus career boost. And hackathon must give you the ability to walk in with your skills and give you the off-campus placement opportunity as well. And what are the important deadline? That is the 7th of December from its registration closing date. So please register before that. Then after that, if you have any queries, you can comment down and share this video with your friends and family members who want to participate in healthcare. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.